In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your number on Lycamobile by transferring an existing number to your SIM. If you want your Lycamobile to use a different number, you don't create a brand new line, you port an existing active number onto your current SIM. Here's how to do it smoothly with a few tips to avoid delays. First, get a porting authorization code, often called a PAC, from the provider that currently holds the number you want to move. This code proves you own the number and allows Lycamobile to bring it over. Ask your old network for the PAC and keep it handy. These codes usually expire after a short period, so try to start the transfer soon after you receive it. Don't cancel your old service yet. Porting will take care of that automatically once it's complete. Next, make sure your Lycamobile SIM is active. If you've just bought one, follow the activation steps and confirm you can connect to the network. An active SIM is required before a number can be transferred. Then, head to the Lycamobile website and open the Transfer Your Number form. Have your Lycamobile details ready, such as your account information and the SIM number printed on the card, along with the PAC you just obtained. Filling everything out accurately is crucial. The tiniest mismatch in name, date of birth, or account data can delay the transfer. Submit the PAC and your registration details through that form to start the port. You should receive a confirmation that your request has been logged. If you prefer getting help over the phone, you can also contact Lycamobile customer service from your Lycamobile device and ask them to initiate the number change for you. They'll request the PAC and your registration information and submit the transfer on your behalf. After submission, the transfer typically completes within 1 to 3 working days. Keep both your old line and your Lycamobile SIM active during this window. As the switch happens, you might briefly lose service or see calls and texts route inconsistently. That's normal. Once the port finishes, your Lycamobile SIM will show the new number. If service doesn't refresh right away, a quick restart of your phone or toggling airplane mode can help the network update. That's it. Your Lycamobile now carries your transferred number. Consider checking calls, texts, and data, and if needed, update any accounts where your old number was saved.